Good morning, everyone. N&D Box Breaks doing a box break on a 2016 in the game final vault. Show you the time and date. It is Saturday, 8:18 a.m., September 9th. There are all 30 spots. Thanks everyone for getting in. Really appreciate it. We're going to randomize this list 3 times. So here we go. There's 1, 2, and 3. So you got Charlie H at 1. You got Snow Cone Mafia at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste. And there you go. Charlie H at 1. Snow Cone Mafia at 30. Alright, so what we're going to do now is the teams. Here they are, alphabetical order. We'll randomize this list 3 times as well. 1, 2, and 3. So you got your Pittsburgh Penguins at 1, your Winnipeg Jets at 30, and you see it's been randomized 3 times. Alright, so we're going to copy and paste. Alright, so you got your Pittsburgh Penguins down to your Winnipeg, and there are all 30 spots. Thanks everyone for getting in again. Alright, final vault. There's 10 cards in here, they're all hits. Now sometimes they don't have it show the exact NHL team, sometimes they're minor league cards. But we'll make sure we try to get these going to the correct team, so it might take a little bit longer on some of the cards, so bear with me. Alright, so all the cards are already, they're not in a pack, they're all loose. That's how they come. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we're just going to lay those down like that. Alright, so here we go. Again, 10 cards, they're all hits. Alright, so here's a mass men, Devin Dubnyk. So here's a gold version, 2008-09, and this is where I have to do a little search in here. 08-09, between the pipes. Let me just, while that's searching, take a look at this card. I can't see. I see the card on Amazon. It doesn't say what team. Nice thing is they got a price for $30. Let me just pull up Devin Dubnyk and see what team he was on then. So 08-09. Looks like it was the might be his junior team. It looks like he was on the Springfield Falcons at that time. So that doesn't look like any NHL team on there. So if that's the case, it's going to go to what team he's on now, which would be the Minnesota Wild. Even on this one for Amazon, it doesn't say what team that is. Let me see. Just check one more thing. A lot of times they use the cardboard connection, but they don't have a checklist on this box. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is going to go to Minnesota because this is no NHL team. There's no NHL team marked on it at all. So it's going to go to the team he's on now, which would be the Minnesota Wild. Nice hit. Like I said, on Amazon, they had this card selling for $30, so nice hit. All right, here's your second card. All right, here's an international card. Yari Curry. That's a cool looking card, 101. Card from the 06-07 in the game used International Ice Signature Series. So Yari Curry. I mean, obviously, played on Edmonton, and I think he was also on LA, right? Let's see if we can pull this up here. All right, this is going to go to, all right, since this is an international card, there's no NHL team associated here. He's going to go to, it's going to go to the team that he played the most years with, which was the Edmonton Oilers. So Yari Curry is going to go to Edmonton. So, and this is the only negative about this box, where it comes down to, there's not a lot of, sometimes, easy, just pull up the card and see the NHL team on there. So it takes a little bit longer. All right, here's a game used jersey black, Brian Propp. And this is going to go to Philadelphia Flyers. That is nice and easy. It's got the Flyers patch, got the Flyers jersey there. So nice hit for Brian Propp. Game used jersey black. All right, here's another one. Nice easy one going to the San Jose Sharks. Marco Sturm. It's got an autograph on there. A little tough to see. It gets blended in there a little bit, but that's his autograph. Oops, sorry. Yep, there's an autograph card. Nice hit for Marco Sturm, San Jose Sharks. All right, here's another autograph card. Awesome. Glenn Anderson, Edmonton Oilers. Another hit. Cool looking autograph there. Nice looking card. Show that card one more time. There it is. Nice looking card. All right, another autograph. Teppo Numminen. We're going to have to turn this over and see what we got here. All right, this is going to go to the Winnipeg Jets. Oh. And since Winnipeg Jets actually back because it says then it went to Phoenix, but the Winnipeg Jets are back in the NHL, so this is going to go to Winnipeg. So Teppo Numminen going to go to Winnipeg Jets. Nice, another autograph. Rick Tocchet, Philadelphia Flyers. Another nice autograph. And what's great about this is you're getting some old players, some really good NHL players. Obviously some Hall of Famers. Yari Curry, and here's a nice one, Rick Tocchet. Another hit for Philadelphia. Oh, here's a really cool one, a Stanley Cup. The Cup Rivals 1992. So you got Pittsburgh and Chicago, Jaromir Jagr and Jeremy Roenick patch cards. Really nice stuff. So this is going to go to the team that's on the top. So this is going to go to the Pittsburgh Penguins. Really nice looking card there. That's a nice looking card. All right, here's another hit here. Brendan Shanahan for the Detroit Red Wings. Got a patch there. Again, all big name players, which is nice. So nice jersey patch card for Brendan Shanahan. All right, last and final card. Gonna go to another Hall of Famer, Patrick Waugh. Game used number gold is going to go to the Colorado Avalanche. Awesome looking card here. That's awesome. Nice hit there for Patrick Waugh. All right, guys, some really good hits. Again, this is a great box. I'm going to probably be looking to get some new stuff, so I'm going to probably get another anthology, another one of these. I mean, you can't beat 10 hits in this box. If you're looking for some other stuff out there, just trying to find some. There's not a lot of new stuff with the season just getting underway. Still 17-18 hasn't put out a lot of boxes, and Upper Deck's a little slow on some stuff. And this 16-17 boxes still are priced pretty high, so if I see something good, I'll get it. But just keep looking for eBay and my website for new stuff. If you want to buy on my website, it is cheaper, so thank you. I do have this titanium still left to go. That still needs has spots open, so if you want to get in that, we'll go get that one done as soon as it fills. So thanks everyone for getting in. I appreciate it. Thank you.